For question 2, we have 781 divided by 4. I have gone ahead and set this up for my box method, and I'm ready to get started. I'm going to start with the first digit on the left, and that is 7. If I have 7, let's use apples this time. If I have 7 apples, how many groups of 4 could I make? Well, I could make one group, and that would have 4 apples in it. I need to add some zeros here, so every digit has a buddy. And however many zeros you put down here, you also need to put on top. This shows us that 100 times 4 is 400. So I'm ready to subtract, and that will leave me with 381. This number is way bigger than 4, so I know it's going to move over to another box. We're going to start with the far left side again. If I have 3 apples, can I make a group of 4? Nope. So I'm going to include the neighbor and get 38 apples. If I have 38 apples, I can make 9 groups of 4, and that would use 36. This guy needs a buddy, which means up top we need one also. This shows me that 90 times 4 is 360, and now I'm ready to subtract. And I'm left with 21. 21 is bigger than 4, so I'm going to move that over to its own box. If I have 2 apples, I cannot make a group of 4, so I'm going to include the neighbor. If I have 21 apples, I can make 5 groups of 4, and that would use 20. Everybody's already paired up here, so we don't need to add any zeros. When I subtract, I'm left with 1. 1 is less than 4, so instead of moving it to another box, I know that that is my remainder, and that is my sign to stop. So we have our remainder. To find the rest of our quotient, we're going to add the numbers on top of the box. 100 plus 90 plus 5 gives me 195. I now know that 781 divided by 4 equals 195, remainder 1.